It seems like everybody's live lately. Everybody's live lately. Trap's live yesterday. You know they got good Wi-Fi. The guy, my mic was muted. Miss Dawn Jackson, is that you there? Something happened with my internet. They cut my stream. Hearts, hearts, see the hearts. I gotta put my thing back in the chat. It's fine. Whatever. I don't know. It just was like stream ended and something about I don't know. I guess it's the internet. Like you guys, my viewers would experience buffering or something. We ended it. Like, excuse me, let me in my stream. It's like, no, I'm just kidding. But it says excellent strength. Stream health, it says excellent. I don't know. Probably just drop. Jonathan, what's my target? Well, it's 9:23. I would like to get down here to this blue line. We got a big empty pocket here. You see that? But I don't think it's gonna happen before the market's open. So I'm actually about to just cut it. Okay. Or I was hoping it dropped a little more so I can actually pull my stop down and then let it do what it does when the market, no buffering. I know, Auntie, I don't know what that was about. I don't know. And I want to pull my stop down and let it see if it's going to continue to drop at market open. But we'll see. I took one trade, one loser. It was the same trade. I got out when we popped back up here thinking it was going to continue higher. Probably stopped me out for more than I would like, so I cut that trade, but I didn't have to. I got back in it. But so I was down like 43 bucks. It was doing what it's doing now. 924. Okay. That's definitely not my stop up there. That's just like a hard stop. I wouldn't let it get up there. Actually move it. 924. 925. Yeah, they're pushing it back up. The buyer, oh, this is flipping. On a 1 minute, bullish divergence coming in. So I'm gonna cut it. We didn't get far enough like I would want to. Look how I just be like, oh, I'm coming 100. Stop. Today might not cut this. 925. So they might push up for a little bit into the open before selling off. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna just cut it. But I could have took these couple points from here to here. It's first red arrow to the second blue arrow. I don't like what it's doing. It's not, overall it's lower. I guess, you know, in hindsight, I should have took the short up here while I was all on my phone. But these leg lower, like this, you know, tiny leg. I should have held that, you know, from here to here, but just these smaller cycles, smaller legs lower. So I guess I can wait. Not guess, it'll probably be best to wait. MACD is flipping bullish. RSI is below the neutral. Pushing above the 9, below the 21, below the 200, below the VWAP. Cloud is bearish. Bullish divergence coming in. But see, these divergences are sideways. They're not even like, this one was slanted down. This one was up. This is kind of up. Down 36 bucks. Need about 400 and now 36 to get this account back above 50K, so we can basically start fresh. So we're playing defense this week, trading one. Look, I don't like when the price does this though. I do not like it. Doji coming. Playing defense this week, trying to get the account back above until we get the account back above 50K. Look at that. Then there's my move. You mother. That empty pocket. Come on. Guess I should have just held. Hindsight is 2020. I be knowing, but I just don't be knowing what they gonna do. Because sometimes they take the scenic route. Like they'll come break market structure and take out all the bears or bulls and then go back in their original direction. Should have held it longer though, because that's why I'm trading micros. I don't. Yeah, it gets me too. It's crazy. And I'm finna take this just because, but I don't want it to pop. Let me think. I'm trying to think. I want to take this quick momentum trade, but let me see. But it needs to flush. So we got 45 seconds left. I'm just upset because that was my trade. Like, that's what I was watching, this empty pocket here. And then for me to take, oh, the second one was a winner. Small winner, but was it? Yeah, it was a winner. Because I was down $43. Couple dollar winner, but for me to take a loss on this move, that I was right about, that drives you crazy, right? But it's okay. It's early. We kind of got all day. There it is. There's market open. What's going on? Let me see. We're bearish. We're bearish. We're bearish. Yep, let them do their thing. Bears. Popping it. Giving the bears a treatment. Conditions are still bearish. Don't let that one candle fool you. Unless it just pop and keep going. Now, if we get follow through on this candle, then it's flipping bullish. Okay, the MACD just flipped bullish. Of course, because you got that big candle. But let's see what they do. Where's my initial balance? We got a gap up there. Our green square is the gap. Right there. We gap lower to open. Our yellow line is yesterday's close. Our orange line is yesterday's open. Our red line is yesterday's high. And our green line here is yesterday's low. Always on the chart. So we can know where we are in relation to price. So right now we would be considered, we open outside of value and outside of range. And value is considered basically the body of the candle. So between the open and the close, that would be value. And the range would be the low and the high. So we're outside of value and outside of range. Which means, who knows? We need to either continue lower or we need to get back up there. Doesn't have to be today. Actually, well, if it's not today, actually it would have to be today. I mean, just to repair price. Or any unfinished business within the low yesterday and the close and the open from today or the overnight, because futures is 24 hours, so it opened last night at 6 p.m. So, you know, all this is unfinished business for the New York session. Where you see on the chart where it's like dark black, and then over to the left is like hazy black. Is a little different color. That's overnight. That's the overnight session. So that's where you find the overnight highs and lows. But right now we need to handle business within the New York session. So what do? Do we go up? We handle, do we go close that gap and facilitate trade within that gap, or do we come down, continue to, allow buyers and sellers to validate the rest of this big candle that had a big gap right there where price didn't come back to test any of those areas? What do we do? That's what the markets is all about, facilitating trade. This is bullish. Is it bullish enough for me to go? The cloud is shining across. MACD is bullish. RSI is bullish above neutral. It's curling back down. Sellers are coming in, rejecting off the VWAP. Pushed us back below the 200-day moving average. We're floating above the 9 and the 21 EMA. Will we find support there? It's finding support. It closed above it. We're sandwiched in between those two right now. So between the 200 EMA and the 9 and 21. And I'm not saying anything fancy. I'm just saying, I'm just reading what's on the charts. That's literally what it's about. What are we doing? Where are we at? What is price trying to do? How well is it doing it? Right now, it looks like price is trying to go up. How well is it? How good of a job is it doing at going up? Well, we got rejected at the VWAP right now. So what do we need? We need to get above the VWAP to be bullish, and then to continue to be bullish. If not, we reject and we go down until we find support. And that could be anywhere. on a chart, obviously and honestly, but previous levels where it found support at, those are good areas to let you know, like for you to speculate where it could come, where it could bounce. You know, if this, then that. If it comes here and it bounces, then this. If it comes here and breaks through, then that. All up to how you want to interpret it. I know where it's going. It's the in-between. You know where it's going? Tell me where it's going so I can get in the trade. You said it's the in-between. We're in the middle of the cloud right now. It's slightly bearish. And when I say like bearish and bullish, I'm talking about on a 1 minute time frame, because that's what I'm looking at. I'm not looking at the higher time frames right now. But this is a 5 minute bullish for the time being. And looks bullish. Still below the 200, still below VWAP. We're holding it above the 9 and the 20 way, 21. Kind of at the bottom of the cloud there. I was speaking at 130, so we'll see. This is bullish. Will we get continuation is the question. Oh my God, my stream cutting up again. My what is going on with my internet? You guys, I'm having issues with my internet right now. I don't know why. I don't know what's happening. Oh no. Oh, I think I know what it's saying. I don't know where it's going. It's the in-between that gets you. Is that what you're saying? It's the in-between when it's doing that crazy stuff. I don't know, guys. I think I'm lagging really bad. I'm showing poor stream health. I don't know what is happening. I really don't know. Maybe I should go reset my Wi-Fi, because I don't have fiber optics in my area yet at my house. I can't get it. I'm lagging. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. If the stream ends, then I'll restart everything, reset my internet, and then come back on. See if that helps it. But it looks like it's lagging really bad. And I need to open up. I wanted to go long there. I wanted to open up yes, my internet is now it's back up. But you guys, I'm sorry. My internet is a bit spotty this morning. Sorry guys. Like I said, if the stream ends, I'll just go ahead and reset the internet, shut my computer off, and let it shut it down, let it restart, and everything reconnect, and then I'll go live again. I'll be live until about 10:30, as long as my internet allows it. For some reason, I'm having connection issues today. It's not storming or anything. Markets aren't really going anywhere right now, making us bullish, making us bearish. As you can see, look, my other headphones. Where's my, oh, here it is. Sorry about my stream today, guys. Stream help is showing excellent now, but it's switch between there it is, buffering again. Damn. Maybe I should switch my sources. I think